Ladies and gentlemen, members of the press, fellow Kenyans, I have invited you to a moment of national introspection. Kenya continues to carve a distinct place on the community of nations. On the regional level, continental level, and globally, we continue to make unequivocal statements of democracy. Our politics is robust and cherished the world over as one of the most desired, liberal, and inspiring. It is for this reason that we, the UDA party, is pleased to appreciate the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga's decision to seek the chairmanship of the African Union Commission. The Right Honorable Raila Odinga is undoubtedly an African luminary of unmatched capability. We join many across the continent in restating that Honorable Odinga deserves the AU Commission chairmanship given his distinguished accolades and contribution to the socio-political landscape of the East Africa region and the continent as a whole.
Raila Amolo Odinga is well networked in this continent, and not just continent, in the world. It will only be fair for us to, and you know he's been really in the struggle of African, one Africa, or Africa speaking in one voice. He's created huge networks both in West and East Africa and South Africa. He has immense experience in terms of leadership. He served as the Prime Minister of this republic. He has also served in the opposition, putting government in check. There can be no better person to take the chairmanship of the African Union other than Raila Amolo Odinga.
A veteran politician, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga will immensely contribute to the development and unity of the African Union.
Haya, na katika maisha